let out a little bit of air pressure. Let's hit the trail. Hey, welcome back to another episode, little weekend adventure, heading out to Crown King. About 12 miles in, have about 28 to go. Pretty smooth, easy dirt roads down here, cruising at 30 miles an hour. And I was looking forward to getting up there and setting up camp. Just wish for an awesome spot. And cooler temps, because it's 81 down here, which isn't terrible. So, but we'll take it when we can. Quick stop at the yacht that's in the desert. We'll get some footage here, but I thought this stuff was cool. Ton of history out here. I'll have to look up what it is, but pretty cool. It's 1864. There you go. There's a bar right here. Should we get a drink? Nah. Let's go get up the mountain and get to camp. But let's check out this the yacht first. Well, my wife was looking for a boat. Maybe I found this one. This one looks sweet. I guess she didn't like his boots. I wouldn't either. All aboard. Should we bring them with? Coco would love that.
He's been growling the whole
ready?
time.
Oh, you hear the birds? Are you guys ready?
Yes, go.
Cam, you ready?
What are those birds?
All right, let's go.
What are those? From the desert of 2,500 feet to the pine trees of 6,000 feet, we finally arrived in Crown King, Arizona. Crown King is located high up in the Bradshaw Mountains. The community is named after the Crown King mine, but the name has been shortened to Crown King in 1988. An estimated $2 million in gold was taken from the Crown King mine alone. The mines have been closed since the 1950s, and for the past half-century, tourism has been the only reliable source of income for the area. They charge you if you take pictures of those.
I'll pay for it.
Okay.
Well, if you need gas, they have gas, 10 bucks a gallon. But it's worth it. It supports the local. Cool, huh?
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Doing pretty good.
Look at this machine.
It's a little ambulance.
This is super cool.
It's one of our newest. It's our newest rig.
That's awesome.
We've had it about a year. What's your name?
Cameron.
Lewis. Claiborne?
Cameron.
Cameron? Cameron.
Jeremy.
Jeremy, nice
Pleasure
to meet you.
you.
You guys gonna check it out if you
Yeah,
want?
you want to see, bud? It's a once in a lifetime opportunity.
Of course.
Just like that, we're at camp. Good one-nighter. Let me show you around. Hey guys, how's the spot?
We did, no fire.
How's the spot?
Good.
Coco, what do you think?
I'm
Kenny?
gonna put on some pants. I'm gonna change.
Hey babe,
Hi.
how you doing, honey?
I'm just gonna change my clothes
Why?
because there's bugs and I like put pants on.
Okay. Privacy, please.
Thank you.
To the piece of my life. Where's that? What's the color of
Well, we're officially at camp, set up, and it's only 5:30, so we got time before the sun goes down. In typical Friedman Adventure fashion, we get here and they go up there, and I'm left to cook meals, and my guess is they're going to eat up there, which I would love to just sit around together. So we'll see what happens, but we are here, and what do we got on the menu, Cam, tonight?
What?
What are we having tonight?
Or honey chicken.
Honey chicken with white rice, broccoli, and then we got a special dessert. So looking forward to it. We'll get cooking shortly. It's like a scuttle. Perfect.
Boo-boo.
Gotta stay hydrated. Yeah.
Kissy. Love you.
Love you too. Yes, up at Crown King, there are side-by-sides.
Oh.
There was barely any left up here when we got here. So I'm hoping they all went home because they ain't overlanders. And we'll have a quiet night. So fingers crossed. Last time we were here around this time, last year or 2 years ago, we were just fine. So we will see. Wish us luck. So figured, well, Cam's up there, stuff. Coco's up there too and stuff. Get a little deep with you all. Keep this one for the record, Cam. So one day when you're watching this, the reason why we do this is to be together as a family, share these experiences. There's nothing more exciting and bonding as being together out in nature.
Are you getting deep on the
Yeah,
video?
I'm getting deep, honey. And with that being said, it's just to be together as a family, and I want you to be able to see this, one day, whenever that day is, and have these memories. That's why I'm recording it. That's why we started a YouTube channel,
It's not really about the subscribers, though. If you're watching and you enjoy it, we appreciate it. I'm still working on my camera skills, but I just want to be able to tell a story and create a memory, because we're coming up on actually almost our 100th night camping this year. We started 5 years ago when Cam was 3. He's 8 now. Just turned 8 actually. So I wish I would have done this sooner. So thanks, you know who you are, for giving me the idea to start doing this. And cheers to this adventure and significantly many more adventures. We got a lot coming for you. We got big plans, and it's going to last a long time. Cheers. People, you could do better. Pick up your garbage. Come on, don't be so lazy. Up and in the trash. Time for dinner. A little bit of olive oil.
Yeah, I got them here in California. We're fixing to clean.
We're fixing the farther.
Oh.
What? Mom, what?
We're on.
Hi. Point the camera up at me.
Hey, buds.
Ooh, we got our pie.
Ooh.
And here's the
Can
rice.
I see the pie? Ooh, pie.
Here's our broccoli.
Boo.
And here's our chicken.
Yay.
Do you need the sauce?
No, not yet.
You want me to take it out?
Sure.
And here's our pie. Come on, please. Get down.
All right, we got pre-made honey chicken. I hope this is good. I don't know. Guess we'll find out.
Well, don't we have the sauce?
Get that chicken going.
Dad, don't we gotta spread it out? So
Yeah, in
the
a
pieces
minute.
on the top.
Kid knows how to cook, I guess. Yes, we will. There you go. Get it spread out. Yeah, let's cover it up.
With what?
All right, Bobby, cover it.
What?
Cover it.
With what? Cover what? The camera?
The cover.
I don't know.
Look at that face. Look at that. Look at that.
Hey, tell everyone how football was today. How'd
Not-
you do? You had a great pass. You
Not
had a great
that
catch.
Not that great.
What position do you play?
Center.
Cam likes playing center on offense. Defense, you are
Safety.
Safety.
Or corner.
Kid's getting good. Camp life. Friedman Adventure.
I forgot my wine. And yeah, next time we'll make the brie.
Ooh.
Mom gets down with the brie.
You gotta have Steph's brie.
It's really good.
Delicious. But we had pies, so we were like,
Yeah, it was one or
carb
the
contest, can't do it all.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Right.
Ooh,
What? Oh, look at those.
they look like
Hawks.
vultures.
Vultures.
They look like vultures.
Mama Cocoa Bean.
Hi, honey. You wanna come down?
You want to come down?
You wanna come down?
I miss you.
Mommy will come get you.
What do I say?
You're on.
What do I say?
Talk to it.
Hi.
These are all your viewers.
What would you like to say, Cam?
Make it interesting. Make something interesting.
Like and subscribe. What are you doing? Checking the chicken? Looks good. We're making some honey chicken. And let's take a quick view of Mom.
All right, chicken's looking good.
Big booty.
We're gonna add
Cheese.
broccoli.
Ah. Ah. Oh.
This one you're allowed to eat. Just kidding. And we're gonna add the rice.
That was not funny.
You pre-cook some of this stuff at home to make it a little easier.
Yeah.
We're making honey chicken.
Make sure to get the chicken. Put the
It's looking
chicken.
pretty good.
Well, how am I supposed to eat?
I'll cook a lot of these.
No, you have to eat too.
Oh, you big friend. I need to eat something. I just had
Is that
to do.
Cam's little bowl?
This is Cam's bowl.
I want my sauce dumped all over.
Okay, go over there with Dad.
I want my sauce
He's making
dumped.
your bowl. Go do it. Go over there.
I want my sauce dumped.
No, but put the sauce on.
Little General Tao sauce.
Someone
We're
put this.
Let me take her.
Oh, I'm fine eating like this. Someone help cut this broccoli.
Oh yeah.
But take some off.
Good.
There.
I like it with the sauce.
Whatever. I got it. Let go.
We're gonna eat. We'll see you for dessert. Pie time. Key lime, blueberry pecan. Steph, Cam, Jeremy. Whoa! This is gonna be delicious. Like I said, I feel like this is like, instead of Friedman Adventures, it should be just Jeremy Adventures, but they're up in the tent. I'm eating some key lime pie. It's my favorite. Let's give it a go. Pretty good. Not tart enough, I'll be honest. I like it pretty tart, but it's good. How's your Now, I know you were drooling over that pie. I was too, and it was delicious. I'll throw in some footage of where we got it. It's always a great stop on the way up here. I know you're all probably drooling about the pies and the dessert we're about to have. Well, this is where we got it, right here. Rock Springs, established well over 100 years ago. Delicious pies, always a stop, and what you got there, bud?
Gum.
And what did you get, honey?
We got pies. Look. We got blueberry, pecan, and key lime.
Which one's yours, dude?
Blueberry.
All right. Dessert, like I shared with you, it's going to be awesome. Well, that's it for tonight. Dishes, watch some Netflix or something, and chill. And we'll see you in the morning. All right, come on.
Can I film?
What are you seeing?
Can I go through?
Yeah, go. Yeah, if you want.
Wait, can we go around?
Sure. I guess I'm coming.
I'm helping you. And I'll help you out.
Thank you. Oh, look at these flowers.
Ooh. You're on video.
You're on video.
I'm king. Yeah, we can go there. Wait, Dad, film me.
Alright.
I'm gonna come right back.
Careful.
Ta-da!
There you are.
We went as far down as we could.
We made it. Glad we're safe and sound. Now it's time to make some coffee. Alright, Cammy. You gonna make me coffee?
Yeah.
Get that going. Get that grind going. Got a little black rifle, just black. Click it up in the jet foil. Sweeten it up with a little hazelnut. You want some coffee, Cam, or no?
No thanks.
Alright, you keep going.
Not my day.
Good morning, sunshine.
Hi. What are you guys doing? Coffee already?
Coffee.
As long
Cam's
as
gonna
you
make it
love
for
me,
us.
We could be broke. We could be poor.
Bieber fan. Big Bieber fan.
Totally. We must be Bacella. Oh well.
That's alright, we're camping.
We'll catch him though. We're
Just
going.
as good.
We're going.
Well, the verdict on the coffee,
It's amazing.
the verdict on the coffee is amazing. Good job, bud.
Thanks.
Well, we're gonna get packed up, and we are heading to town up in Crown King, and we're gonna have breakfast there. A little spot called, I think it's called MJ's. We've been there before, so
Dad, try this one.
should be delicious.
Dad.
Hey,
Huh?
Brecky.
Hi, Coco.
Brecky. Brecky.
Yay.
Show the little place.
MJ Cave and MJ's Cafe.
Crown King. Go check this place out. We did some filming yesterday, but I had it on photo mode versus video mode. So, anyways.
saddle with the 2 little trees, make a
Make a
left.
left.
Okay.
And then from that point, it's about 8 miles. You'll see a wooden curb. Stay on that road straight. It'll take
Mailboxes,
Thank you, sir.
50 years. 6
Hardware
miles, 8
stuff?
miles.
Thank you.
Left and left.
Hi, Dad.
hey buds. That looks good on you. You look like a prospector. Are you going for some gold?
Yeah.
Good luck.
Thanks. Where are we going?
All right, bud, that's it. We airing up. Did you have a
Yeah.
good time?
Yeah.
All right. If you all liked it, what do we do?
Like and subscribe.
Thanks, y'all. We'll see you on the next one. Cheers from Friedman Adventure. Whoa!
What?
Almost fell back.
Bugs.
Well, you know, we are in the woods. How you doing, honey?
You found my bra. Oh.
We'll put that in the bloopers.